To connect your Blink doorbell to a Chime, follow these steps. First, ensure your Blink doorbell is properly set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Then, identify the type of chime you have, as the connection process may vary. For a traditional wired chime, you will need a sync module, which is usually included with your Blink doorbell. Plug the sync module into a nearby power outlet and wait for the lights to stop flashing, indicating it is ready to pair. Open the Blink app on your smartphone and tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select the sync module and follow the in-app instructions to complete the pairing process. Next, go to the Chime settings in the Blink app and select the type of chime you have. If your chime is not listed, you may need to use the custom setting and enter the specific details of your chime. Once you have selected your chime type, the Blink app will guide you through the process of connecting the chime to the sync module. For a wireless chime, the process is similar, but you will not need a sync module. Instead, you will pair the chime directly to the Blink doorbell using the Blink app. Open the app, go to the Chime settings, and select the type of wireless chime you have. Follow the in-app instructions to complete the pairing process. In both cases, once the chime is connected, you will be able to customize the sound and volume of the chime through the Blink app. Make sure to test the chime to ensure it is working properly and adjust the settings as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully connect your Blink doorbell to a chime and enjoy a more comprehensive home security system.